Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to download and install via browser fast and light in your smartphone. So how can you download? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So I'm using Android phone. You can also download this from your App Store. So I have to go Play Store, so you need to go your Play Store. So once you click Play Store, then you have to search here via browser. Click. Once you get here, you can see it's via browser fast and light, and make hard things simple. Light browse and lightning speed and mini uses. So it's really cool and user friendly. You can use, so simply click on install, and it takes few time to install in your device. So it's really easy to use. You will get all feature in this application. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.